taking so long?
That's why I'm telling you to give me the card numbers, and you're still itching to give me.
Well, what? Well, I forgot where I'm at. What number are we on?
Okay, hold on.
What number was we
we're
on?
at 9.
I forgot.
We're at 9. We're at 9.
Okay, yeah. Okay. And then after the 9 is an 8.
Yeah.
It's all I can do to hold it together right now. I'm not lying. I'm going to lose my shit here in a minute. That's how this one is going to end, with me just busting out laughing. Yeah.
Yes, what comes after the 8?
It's a 4.
4. And then what comes after the 4?
It's an 8. Another 8.
Okay, and what comes next?
Okay, it's a number 4.
And then what's the last number?
The last number is... I just muted him. Okay, now read it all back to me so I know you...
What's the last number? What's the last number?
I just told you it's the last number. It's an...
What's the last number?
It's an...
Hello? Hello?
It's...
Hello?
Did you...
Hello?
Did you... Can you hear me? Did you get it?
Yes, what's the last number?
Yeah, it's a... Okay, now
I'm not
read it.
I'm not hearing you.
Just read the whole thing back to me so I know that you got it all now.
I don't hear the last number. I don't hear the last number.
Well, listen. Okay, now read it to me from start to finish.
I said I don't hear the last number.
What? Oh, you didn't hear? Well, you got into one of them dead spaces or something in your you're driving by the chicken. Yeah, okay, are you ready?
Yes, what's the last number?
The last number is it. Okay, now read it back to me. What?
Sir.
Read it back to me from the beginning. That way I know you got it right and we don't have any more issues. I don't understand why. I've never had so much trouble winning $18 million in my life. I mean, I don't want to look a gift horse in the mouth or anything, but I swear to God, this is a lot of work, more than I thought. Thank goodness they haven't brought my dinner yet.
Fuck. Listen. Stop playing around and give me the last number, or I'm not making your delivery, okay?
Yes, you are. You're already on your way. You brought me a chicken and everything. Yeah, I did. I've told you like 10 times. I don't know why you're not paying attention when I'm telling you.
I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you.
Well, why not?
You're cutting out the number. You're cutting out
why
the number.
not? Why don't you just read it back to me all at one time, and then I'll know what you're missing.
You're cutting it out, okay?
Cutting what out? Why on earth would I do that? Obviously, I want the prize or whatever the heck it is. Which one are you missing? I don't even know which one you're missing. Tell me which one you're missing. Read it from the beginning and just be sure to do it nice and slow so that I know what the hell is going on and I can give you whatever it is you need so you can get on the road or do whatever it is you need to do to make the delivery of my car. I'm excited about the car. I'm not going to lie. That's going to be the nicest car I ever had. I used to have a real nice pickup truck, but it ain't no Mercedes-Benz, that's for damn sure.
Hey.
Yes.
It's 4-3.